Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about the role of a parent or parents in a juvenile court proceeding. Juvenile court could really be, you could be there for one of two reasons as a minor. One could be delinquency, the other could be dependency. For purposes of this video, we're going to be talking about juvenile delinquency, which if they were an adult would be facing charges in criminal court. In juvenile delinquency proceedings, the district attorney's office files a petition against someone who is under the age of 18, at least at the time of the alleged offense. And it's the same penal code sections or health and safety code sections or vehicle code sections that will be filed in adult court, with many differences. One difference being is the role of the family and the role of the parents, if they are around, is significantly increased in juvenile court. In fact, a lot of times the judge will be asking questions of the parents. The judge will be asking questions of the parents as it relates to detention, meaning would the child be better served, would the minor be better served in juvenile hall or in some sort of a program? And the court will be asking the parents questions to try and make a determination whether or not returning the minor to the home is in the best interest of the child and also obviously the best interest of the community as far as the child's rehabilitation, assuming they did something wrong to begin with. So if you're out there watching this video and you're a parent of a minor who has an upcoming juvenile delinquency case going on, you know, it's important to know and be prepared to go into that hearing. Hey, the judge is going to ask me some questions about how my son, how my daughter's doing, how they're doing at home, how they're doing at school, what efforts I've made, what efforts my spouse has made to obviously help them along the way, and understand that a judge is going to be relying heavily on those answers and making his or her determination on what happens with your child's detention status, meaning are they going to be able to stay at home? Are they going to be able to go home? Or are they going to be remanded or placed in juvenile custody? So it's really important to be prepared for those meetings. You want to make sure that you're reaching out to your child's attorney, understanding, hey, what do you think the court's going to ask me at these hearings? If you're not being prepared as a parent, it might be time to have a discussion about possibly making a change as to who's representing your child, understanding that the attorney you hire for your child only represents your child, not necessarily you. But it is very important to always go into those hearings prepared, even as the parent, because yes, while you're not charged with a crime, your son or your daughter likely are, you still are going to be asked questions. Your answers to those questions are going to have an impact on your child's case. It's important to be prepared. So if you have any questions about your child's juvenile matter, have some questions, you need some answers, reach out to a firm like mine. We're just one phone call away, 619-295-3555. Again, David Shapiro, San Diego criminal lawyer.